everyone. So today we're going to discuss conductance and inductance. So number one is conductance. So we have the formula that Q equals CV, C equals magnetic flux or OA over D. So V and V equals Q over C. So we have the given the area 2 centimeter squared. So we have to convert into meters. So we have the answer 2 times 10 raised to negative 4 meters squared. So we have the distance 2 millimeters. So we have to convert into meters. So the answer is 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter. Then we have the magnetic flux 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 12 Fahrenheit over meter. So first we have to solve the C. So we have this given value. Substitute the value. So we have 8.85 times 10 x raised to negative 12 times 2 times 10 raised to negative 4 over 2 times 10 x raised to negative 3. So our answer is 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 13 Fahrenheit. So number 2, we have this formula V equals Q over C. So distribute substitute the value. So we have 4 times 10 raised to negative 12 over 8.85 times 10 raised to negative 13. So the final answer is 4.52 volts. So number 2, we have to solve the inductance. So turns on solenoid. We have the formula that length equals MON squared A over length. So we have the given the length 0.25 hertz. We have to convert into hertz, so we have this value 0.25 times 10 raised to negative 3 hertz. Then next we have to solve the mu. So we have 4 mu x times 10 raised to negative 7 to hertz over meter. So we're going to solve the n, and then we have the area 6 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter squared. So we have the length 36 centimeter times 100 meter over centimeter. So cancel out the centimeter. So we have answer 0.56 meter. So to solve the n, we have this formula, the square root of length over mu and the area. So distribute the value. We have 0.25 times 10 raised to negative 3 hertz times 0.36 meters over 4 mu times 10 raised to negative 7 hertz over meter, then times 6 times 10 raised to negative 4 meters squared. So the answer is 369 turns. So next we have to solve the di over dt. So we have to substitute the value. So we have negative 12.5 times 10 raised to negative 3 over 205 times 10 raised to negative 3. So the answer is 43.56 area over second. So the final answer is, first we have the voltage of the battery 4.52 volts. Number of turns in the solenoid 369 turns, and the rate of change of current is equals to 43.56 ampere area over second.